Traditionally, the word asset has been classified as any resource owned that can be used to produce positive economic value. Technology has changed this notion of asset over time. Who would have thought that someone would pay $69 million to buy a piece of digital art, or a piece of music could be sold for $11.7 million US? That's what technology is doing today. It's democratizing the value of an asset by allowing heretofore unknown people to place a value for a particular piece of asset. Before we jump in, let's reclassify the assets, as we know them, in distinct categories. Digital assets. Things which are innately digital, for example, music, movies, tweet, art, etc. Physical assets. Like cars, smart buildings, shipping containers, etc. Dynamic assets. Things that generate data, like energy consumption, water consumption, carbon emission. Financial assets. Fungible, non-fungible tokens, parametric contracts. While it's good to reclassify the assets, how does one unlock the value while authenticating the ownership of the asset? The other question also is, how do you monetize across web, O.T.T, and Metaverse domains simultaneously? Why is this important? Nasdaq estimates that the global collectibles market, including physical trading cards, games, toys, cars, and more, to the tune of $370 billion US. Presenting Artemis from NetObjex, a fintech platform that helps in asset management of digital, physical, and dynamic assets, tokenization of content and merchandise in the form of NFTs, asset ownership by providing a global registry for asset ownership details, omnichannel interface to mobile, web, O.T.T, and Metaverse through branded storefront and marketplaces. Artemis is a one-stop solution for all your asset monetization needs on a single platform. Artemis architecture takes into account the entire value chain, from ingestion, asset management, tokenization, channels to experience zone. Artemis from NetObjex has the power to change the way you look at and monetize your asset. Talk to us today. Write to us at sales@netobjex.com.